Yo, we got Jay helping out today, man.
Yo, I should not have had those beers last night,
it's okay,
but I'm
buddy.
here.
We're gonna get you coffee, you're gonna be right, and you get to drive this sexy ass M3 so you can be just fine.
Yes, sir.
Alright, first impressions?
Oh, dude, you did it. This is the first time I'm actually getting a chance to actually sit down and see it and feel it.
Yeah, you really haven't even seen the car.
Wow, it's like, honestly, it's super clean. Like, inside, the interior, I know you redid it.
Yeah,
but it looks amazing, it feels amazing. I like the steering wheel.
Good morning, YouTube family. We're going to a car show. This is the first time I've ever taken all of my cars to any car show. But he insisted that he drove the M3, and I was like, bet, you drive the M3, I'm gonna drive the Supra. So the car show we're going to is Waxhaw Coffee Car Cruisers, something like that. It's probably one of the better shows in the area. And yeah, we're just gonna compare these cars and hang out for the day and have some good time. Probably get some brunch afterwards. This dude needs some food, I know that.
Yeah, rough night.
So good. I love looking at my car outside of my car. Oh, damn, that car looks good. Seika is the new license plate, which I think is fitting. Doubling down on the color. There's nothing quite like seeing your own car driving. It's just like the coolest feeling. You never really get to see that. It looks so good, man. What a beaut, bro. What a freaking beaut. Ah, it sounds so good too. God, she looks great. Honestly, having these two cars, I mean, these two cars are so wildly different. It's like having the best of both worlds. You know, you got like the E36 M3 is so analog, it's so hands-on, you're so connected to the road, you feel literally everything in that car. It's set up as a track car, so it's like pretty rough to drive, but it's so exciting to drive. And then the Supra is just, on the other hand, super modern, super futuristic, crazy fast, turbocharged, totally different cars. But owning both is a blessing because some days you just don't want to deal with, you know, the super nice car. You feel like you wanted to take the E36 out and be super connected. What up?
Hey, TikToker.
Yeah, there you go. TikToker. He knows me from TikTok. But then you got the Supra, right? And on the other hand, the Supra is completely different. I mean, it's a completely different car and it's super modern, but sometimes you want that. Sometimes you just want like a nice, easier car to drive. And they're just set up so differently. In my opinion, I think the E36 handles way better than the Supra. It feels much more balanced. The Supra just gets a little squirrely sometimes. It's just not quite as planted as the E36 feels. I really have a lot more confidence going into corners with the E36 than I do the Supra. If the Supra had a manual transmission, man, that would have been, and it's not always about like the fastest car for me. I prefer a car that has more like feel and more connection over like a super fast car. But man, if it was manual, would have been the perfect, it would have been the perfect car. It's crazy, like these people just noticed me from TikTok, right? I have been realizing that more people find out about me and recognize me or like my cars or whatever from TikTok than any other social network. And I've been doing YouTube for a little over 3 years now. And I just started TikTok last year, you know? It just goes to show the reach that you can get on TikTok is just wild, dude. It's crazy. Pulling the soups. I don't drive her enough, guys. I gotta make a point to drive this car more. I'm just so busy with everything in life, man. It's all good things though. We're making moves. We got some big stuff happening and I'm super excited to share it with you guys.
Please just go. Your soul is the ocean and I can't touch
Keep the both of them. That thing's such a pain in the ass to park. No reverse lights, can't see anything out of it.
Yo, like, so when you play back the video, the GoPro,
Yeah.
like, yo, it's handling. It's so responsive. It handles so crazy. Tranny's a little janky. Like, you got that granny shift in the second one.
What? That do be like that.
But
No,
nah, like,
but it is. It doesn't.
I was like, yeah, what's going on? But yo, the car is crazy, dude. Like, the handling, it's obviously you got crazy tires.
Yeah.
Suspension is insane.
It feels good though. When you're
Yeah. I like it. I'm like, yeah, like, I've definitely I want to do like the E46 next, but this is cool, man. This is a great experience.
Yeah, the transmission's a little. She needs some work. Yeah, dude. What do y'all think? Seiko.
He's the only one.
No, there's another one that rolls around.
Actually, no. This one's like, I don't think it's spaced out and dropped.
Oh, this is like a Halloween themed show. It's like bird shit.
Yeah, nah, because James got a carpet, right?
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Hey.
It looks like James,
Wow.
huh? Crazy. This thing. It looks just like James, but he got the red brakes. It's pretty good. And no carbon roof. All right. About to go get brunch. Later, man. Nice to meet you guys. Jay's now driving the Supra. He's gonna let us know what he thinks about it. A little bit different than the E36. Let's get it. It's so different, dude. Oh my God, is this different? Dude, just looking at that car, it looks so crazy. It looks like a supercar, dude. It's insane. He's loving it. I wonder what his reaction is in that car versus the E36. He really likes the E36. He's like, the handling, it's unbelievable. Wow. It's just fast. Like, where's the... sticky tires, he spins. Scary. I love being able to see both of my cars outside of the car, like driving. It's so cool, man. He's ripping it. Oh, bomba! Thing's wild.
Buck wild.
Buck wild.
Buck wild.
Trying to run, bro? You don't want none of this?
I'm good, buddy. I'm good. That's all you.
Oh, he capped him in the M3.
How do we
feel? What's the difference? How do we like it?
Obviously, two different cars, huge difference. With the E36, the first thing that I noticed is handling. Like, you know, obviously you can't really feel that because this car is so modern.
Yeah.
But damn, this shit's violent. Oh my gosh. I'm like, yo, you hit it and like the rear end is already kicking out, so you gotta be really, really careful.
You really do. With the turbo in it, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, oh, it hits hard.
Which one do you like better? So different.
It's too different. But I mean, I like the E36 just because you get that real raw feel.
Yeah.
The suspension and the handling is like I can't stop like raving about it.
It's crazy.
Like, dude, yeah, like, you know, two different cars, they're both great. Yeah.
In terms of these two cars, you would take an E36.
Yeah, I would drop that one back.
When are you coming back to the world, bro?
After I get out of being house poor.
I feel it.
I'll be back though.
We're gonna grab some breakfast.
Need a recharge from yesterday.
Wrap me up, bro.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, I wanted to get his opinion on it. It's cool to see both the cars out here and just driving, and from a different perspective, you know what I mean? But we're gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna grab some breakfast over at the Hazelnut Creperie at Blakeney, which is like the primo spot for crepes. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Jay, welcome back, dude, on the channel. He just bought a house.
Yeah.
Congratulate him in the comments.
Oh, thank you, man.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, I love you. See you in the next one. Peace. It's crazy, man. Like a brand new $50,000 Supra compared to someone who wants to drive the E36 more.